Xo'sh, hamsa, qaranglar, answer the question. Where do they come from? Where do they come from? Okay. They come from China, right? They come from China. So, what nationality are they? They are what? They are Chinese. They are Chinese. So, what does he come from? Where does he come from? Sorry. He comes from America, right? So, what nationality is he? He's American. Good. He's American president, right? So, where does Queen Elizabeth II come from? She comes from England. So, what nationality is she? She is England. She is English. Good. Next one is, where do they come from? They come from a country, Japan. So what nationality are they? They are Japanese. They are Japanese. So where do they come from? They come from Greece. What nationality are they? They are Greek. They are Greek people, right? So he comes from Brazil, and where does he come from? Okay, where does he come from? Okay, he's Brazilian. Okay, he's Brazilian. What nationality is he? He's Brazilian. What nationality is he? Good. What about this? He comes from Germany, right? And where does Hitler come from? Okay, and Hitler naring again. He's German, right? Okay, and the what nationality is he? What nationality is he? So it comes from Spain. It means game, right? And so where does the game come from? And it comes from Spain. It is Spanish, right? What nationality is it? And it says Spanish. So she comes from India, right? That girl comes from England, India. So where does she come from? Where does she come from? She's Indian. What nationality is she? What nationality is she? Good. She comes from Korea. So where does she come from? Okay, she's Korean. What nationality is she? Xo'sh, Amsa mara bir example ba, sizlar mush example asosan qanday qilamiz desanglar, mushlarni ishlab chiqargan gap. Masalan, Dick, Dutch, Greek, Greece. Okay, endi buni qanday ishlar ekanmiz desanglar, boshda what nationality is Dick? Is he Dutch? No, he isn't. He's Greek. He comes from Greece. And then mau Dick meyadimmi? Yo'q, bu yerdan emas. U nerdan? Gretsiyadan, u mandan. Demek ki şunu inkar kılıp ama keyinlikisini qanday qildik ekanmiz, aras qildik ekanmiz. Mesela Sophie, Russia. Italian, Italy. Okay, so what nationality is Sophie? Is she Russian? No, she isn't. She is Italian. She comes from Italy. Demek ki birinchisi inkar qildik ekanmiz, u uniki meni keltirar ekanmiz. Nima? Endi keyingisi Jack and Tom, German, English, England. And bu Jack and Tom nereden Germaniyadan emas ekan, balki Angliyadan ekan. Demek Jack and Tom nereden keldi? Demek what nationality are Jack and Tom? Are they German? No, they aren't. They are English. They come from England. And the ular nereden geldi? Angliyadan geldi. So doors, Norwegian, Swedish, Sweden. And what nationality is Doris? Is she Norway? Norwegian? No, she isn't. She is Swedish. She comes from Sweden. Okay, she comes from Sweden. As mana qaranglar, Grace, Spanish, Dutch, Holland deydi. And that what birinchisi nima? What nationality? Now, what nationality is Grace? And that is she Spanish? No, she isn't. She is Dutch, and she comes from where? Holland. Okay, she comes from Holland. She comes from Holland. What about Lily? English, French, France. So, what nationality is Lily? Okay, is she English? No, she isn't. She's French. She comes from France. Fransiyadan qanaqagan kelgan. Xo'sh, amsa, ma tanlash savoli bor ekan, savollar bu shuni tanlab boqaylik. Amsa, masalan, I am blah 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 blah. I come from blah 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 blah. Republic of China. And buna qarasanglar Chinese bir narsa qo'ymaydi ekanmiz, and Chinese the and deb ekan. And bu shuni sanasi qaysi to'g'ri? Okay, which one? Which one? Okay, Chinese. Okay, I am Chinese, men bo'lsam Jungolog. I come from the republics of China. Endi bu shu bir necha oddiy ismlardan kelgan, masalan, ko'proq bir necha birikma so'zlarni tarkib topgan davlat nomlaridan oldiga nima qo'ydik? The article qo'yamiz. Masalan, I am Chinese, I come from the Republic of China. Men Jumbo xalq Jumhuriyatidan keldim. Okay, tushunsa. A lot of blah 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 people in the USA have come back to blah 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 for a visit these years. Okay, man. A lot of people, what people? China people ma, Chinese people ma, yaki blah 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 blah. And the burang doğrusu siken. A lot of Chinese people in the USA have come back to China for a visit these years. And the nurgun mushu Jongolukla, nima? Amerikadagi mushu qaytib kelib qanday qiladi? Mushu visit qiladi, ziyorat qiladi. Shunami? Uchinchi, Benz comes from. Endi bu yerga davlatning nomi keldi va endi bu yerni aniq ham qarab birinchisi A ni inshaalloh o'tamiz. Undan keyin nima? B ni inshaalloh o'tamiz. Endi C bilan D qolib qoldi. Endi Thailand and Japan. Endi ikkinchisi qaraylik. He is Thai or Japan. Demek ki ama C'da devlet temeli emasken, süper emasken. Şuna C inşallah en kapkağı nime? D. He is Thai. And o Tayland'dan geldi, o elbette nime? Thai. Taylandlık. You know, who cleans the room every morning? Jimmy. Okay, the name is Jimmy does. Okay, and what change for the sex? Can you get asqatish kerak. Kim har kuni desa bu davomli yuz beradigan sharkat, shunami? Shu uchun ishlangan gap. Xo'sh, endi bugungi topshiriq sizlar shu davlat tavallik bilan davlat nimiz arib, texnik ko'p jumla tuzib, shu kitobingizga keyindagi mashqni intayin yaxshi ishlanglar. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz shagich bo'lsin. Bizningki texnik ko'p mazmunlarga erishmoqchi bo'lsanglar, bizningki Torbet G'aysiyen ondan sırt bizningki salon orqali g'oyibiz saloni bor. Salondan bizningki shu appninki adresini tushirasizlar. Shu orqali sizlarniki keyingi o'rganishinglarni texmo utuqliq, texmo successful bo'lib ketishini umid qilaman. That's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.